What's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your domain in Systemi so that you can start creating your own links and sending out emails using their autoresponder. If you don't have Systemi, I'll be walking you through as well. If you want to grab access to it, you can start for free below. It's going to help you create your sales funnels, your blogs, your websites. It has a built-in autoresponder, and it is the cheapest and most all-included software that I have seen online, and I've been marketing for over 5 years now. So let's jump over to my screen and I'll walk you through how to get set up. Okay, so we're on my screen right now. Some of the information might be blurred, but what I'm going to show you is once you get access to your free Systemi account, you're going to go over to your screen here and click on settings. First off, what you want to do is you want to go down to emails, and then you're going to add a domain. So what you're going to do is once you don't have one here, it'll ask you to add one, and then it's going to ask you for it's going to show you your DNS settings. Okay, so we're going to open that up, and you're going to take the first part of each of these. So where you see the numbers, and then it'll show a period with your domain afterwards. So once you get this, you're going to want to put in your values, and to do this, I use Namecheap, so we'll go over to my Namecheap. You're going to go under your dashboard once you've purchased your domain, and you're just going to click on Manage. Then you're going to go into Advanced DNS Settings, and in here, this is where you're going to change all of your CNAME records. Now you can use one domain for your emails and your website. Okay, so what's going to happen is in my emails, I use the normal domain. And then if we go over custom domains, and now you see we have my main Systemi account, and I have www.sixfiguremarketersystems.com. Okay, so again, same thing. You're going to go in, grab your DNS settings from Systemi, and add them into your Namecheap or whatever domain service provider you're using, and give it about an hour, sometimes maybe a little bit more, and your site will be set up and ready to go, and you'll be able to send out emails. So in order to send out emails with Systemi, you need that email set up. So if we select our email, right, I have a setup email right here. You can use a Gmail, but I would recommend going and setting up an actual email through. So what you can do here is you can actually go under private email, and under Namecheap, they have this all included. So now you have a private email for your domain, and this is going to allow you to run everything from your domain. So just think of a cool name, set it up, set your email, and everything like that. All right, so once you have everything done, you will be able to send out emails. You'll be able to create sales funnels. And if you want to copy our Axel AI sales funnel, which is going to help you grow your Instagram and get more followers and traffic, buyer leads from Instagram, go check out my previous video. I'll leave a card up in the description above, and check that out. That'll show you how to get your first sales funnel done. And I'll be coming out with a new sales funnel, just giving you guys a brief video and sales training on how to actually get leads, where to find them, and a complete copy and paste system, which you can get access to as well. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. We're going to be coming out with regular content on helping you make money online through affiliate marketing and online marketing and any other tools that we find. We'll be creating a system which you guys can copy and start making money with. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.